Let's start by reviewing the sounds from Lesson 1. See if you can say the sounds before I do. Er, s, n, ah, s, n, ah. If these are hard, please go back and redo Lesson 1 until they are easy. Let's learn some new sounds. Repeat after me. Oh, 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 oh. See if you can remember the sounds. Say them before I do. Oh, 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 mm, 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 oh, mm, oh. Try to say the sounds before I do. Oh, mm, 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 oh. Here's a new sound. Short I. I, 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 I. Short A. Ah, 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 ah. Let's read some short words. First, we will say the sounds slowly. Then we will say them fast. An, an, in, in, fin, am, if, an, fan, an, man, im, rim, in, fin. Here's a test to see if you are ready for Lesson 3. If you know all of these sounds easily, you are ready for Lesson 3. If you don't know all of them, please repeat Lesson 2 until they are easy. L, r, s, m, ah, I, n, f, I, n, m, ah, f, s, o. Let's see if you can read these short words. First, say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. If, in, an, an, man, an, ran, in, fin, in, sin, im, rim, am, ram. Now let's practice with some nonsense words. These are fake words. Don't guess. Say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. Is, fis, in, rin, is, miss, ass, fast, ass, lass, am, lamb, if, sif, ill, nil, af, raff, ass, ras, ill, rill, af, saf, if, myth, im, nim, an, lan, af, math, am, nam, in, lin. If these nonsense words were easy to read, you are ready for lesson 3. If they were hard, please repeat lesson 2 until you can read these words easily.